It's time for the Thanksgiving prep to begin. Yes, it's early, but when you are making deep fried stuffing balls, you gotta get them in the freezer and get them ready to hit the fryer Thanksgiving morning. Stay tuned.
Get yourself 3, 4, 5 packages, whatever you need. So you're gonna put your liquid in there. You can use chicken broth, we use vegetable broth. Don't make it too wet. And you're gonna use your seasonings. I use some garlic, thyme, celery salt. I love the 1890 pepper and some oregano. I think a third of a cup makes a perfect stuffing ball. What you want to do is I use a third of a cup, I dip it out, and I roll it into a ball about the size of a tennis ball.